Why is the Samaná Peninsula the best place to invest in all of the Dominican Republic today? When it comes to real estate in the Dominican Republic, most people immediately think of Punta Cana, a well-known brand and a synonym for resort living. But savvy investors have long been eyeing another region, Samaná. Right now, buying property here is the most profitable option. Here, all the factors come together. Incredible nature you won't find in other regions of the Dominican Republic, rapid tourism growth, and prices that are still affordable. Samaná is a dark horse that's about to surge ahead in the rapidly developing Dominican market, which overall has become one of the most attractive destinations for real estate investment in recent years. Today, Samaná is simply unrivaled. Imagine green hills, endless white sand beaches, turquoise water, waterfalls, palm trees, and untouched wildlife. All of this isn't just a brochure ad, it's the reality of Samaná. This peninsula is a true oasis of tranquility and purity. And as a bonus, you get a unique natural spectacle. Every winter, humpback whales come here. This event attracts thousands of nature lovers and makes Samaná one of the main ecotourism destinations in the Caribbean. Tourism in Samaná is booming. Right now, Samaná is on the verge of a true transformation. At the beginning of 2026, the newest cruise port, Samaná Bay Port, will open here, which will receive up to 1 million passengers annually. This means an explosive growth in short-term rentals, active construction of hotels, shops, restaurants, and of course, the accompanying development of services. Today, there is a significantly increased interest here from major international investors who are investing in the hotel business and infrastructure. And for smaller private investors, this is a clear signal. It's time to get in before prices skyrocket. The cost of housing here is still very affordable right now. For an investor, it's not just about beauty, but also about the economics. And in this regard, Samaná comes out on top. The average price here is between $600 and $2,000 per square meter. In Punta Cana, it's from $2,800 per square meter. Rental yields here range from 11 to 15% per year, and the potential for price growth is estimated at 60 to 80% over the next 5 years. The infrastructure of the peninsula is developing rapidly. New roads, shops, restaurants, hospitals, and international schools are appearing almost every month. In 2026, the peninsula is expected to see the opening of its first 2 international-level golf courses. Now let's take a broader look. Why is the Dominican Republic such a hot investment spot today? Economy and stability. This is the fastest-growing GDP in Latin America. Political stability and a focus on foreign investors. Transparent rules of the game that are the same for both Dominican citizens and foreigners. It's also important that buying real estate here is straightforward. There are no restrictions for foreigners. Everything can be arranged remotely, even without being present in person. Low taxes or even no taxes at all if the project falls under the Confouture law. Rental income here is year-round in US dollars, which are essentially the country's second national currency. In addition, when you buy property worth $200,000 or more, you automatically receive a residence permit, which is also very important for many people. The Dominican Republic is a year-round resort. There are no seasons here. It's always warm, the sea is always there, and there's always demand. Investors receive high income from short-term rentals, with virtually no seasonal slumps, and the cost of maintenance here is several times lower than in the US, Canada, or Europe. But why Samaná specifically? The numbers speak for themselves here. The price of real estate in Samaná is $1,600 to $2,000 per square meter, while in Punta Cana it's $2,800 to $3,800 per square meter. That's quite a significant difference. Rental yield. If in Samaná, say in Las Terrenas, the yield from short-term rentals is 10 to 14%, then in Punta Cana it's 8 to 11%. Growth potential over the next 5 years. In Las Terrenas, Samaná, it's 60 to 80% over the next 5 years, while in the Dominican Republic it's 20 to 30%. And of course, competition. In Punta Cana there are many listings, a lot of new construction, and competition is high. In Samaná, there is practically no competition. Add to this the increase in tourists, the influx of developers, and plans for building new roads, hotels, and infrastructure, and you get a market with ideal entry conditions at an early stage of growth. Conclusion: the time is now. Samaná today is the Caribbean before the boom. Everything you need for living, vacationing, and earning is already here. But prices are still low for now, and major projects are just getting started. If you're looking for an opportunity to protect your capital from inflation, earn a stable income in US dollars, and become part of a rapidly growing region, Samaná is your chance. Timing is everything in investing, and Samaná is exactly the case where being at the start is much more profitable than chasing after the train. The Caribbean paradise is waiting for you. It's still accessible for now.